Okay, so the difference between color correction and color grading. So let's go into color correction first. Color correction is taking your raw footage from straight out of your camera and adjusting the contrast, exposure, and the colors all so it's at a baseline level. All you're doing is fine-tuning the colors to make them look normal. You want it to be as close to real life as possible. As you see on this clip right here, it goes from this gray log footage, very desaturated, no contrast. And then when you color correct it, now you see it looks way more normal to the eye. It looks as if you saw it when you were shooting it. In color correction, especially when you're working in a timeline with a lot of clips, you're working on fixing technical issues like white balance, and inconsistencies in all of those clips. You want them to all be similar. So you're gonna be using tools like the exposure slider, white balance adjustment, and tone curves in order to get that baseline starting point. And if you're not sure what any of those tools are, we're gonna go over them. Again, to reiterate, in color correction, all we're doing is you wanna bring this clip to normal. You wanna take it from this gray footage, this not normal looking footage, and you want to bring it to a way more normal looking piece. You're not stylizing it yet. You're not gonna be stylistically coloring this clip yet. This is just to bring it to normal so then you could put your own style and twist on top of it. Now you see right here, this is color grading. This is where you're gonna get crazy. This is where you're gonna be able to stylistically define your shots. This always comes after the color correction, where you've built that baseline, that foundation in color correction. Now color grading is where you're gonna get creative with the colors. Now you can do your crazy styles. You can do your black and white. You could bring up the reds crazy. You could make it super contrast. Just keep in mind, this is what's gonna set the mood for your shot. This is the style for your video. In my opinion, this is what can make or break your video.